Hello. In this series, we are going to learn about week 2, assignment 2 by Dr. Archibald. But today we are going to focus on create Google form to capture name of customers and restaurant. You will learn to do this so that you know the customer that you sent to the restaurant so you can get your commission. This is how you make money. Step 1, you go to Google form. Step 2, you click on the blank form. Step 4, give your form a title like customer restaurant preference survey. Step 6 is an optional add a short description. Please fill out your details below. Step 7, add your first question, name, question type. It will be short. That is the name of the customer. Toggle require on because you had to require the name. Now we go to the next one. For number 2, add your second question. Restaurant name. Question type is drop down. Taco Bell, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Pizza Hut, Crystal. Toggle require on. Optional. So we will actually have to separate this restaurant name. Make it good name that we want to use. I hope you've seen all of that. So that's how it looks very well. Let's go back to the first one. This is the steps. Step 1, Google form. Step 2, blank form. Step 4, give it a form, a title, customer restaurant preference survey, the name, optional short question. Please fill out your detail below. Add your first question, name, question type, short. Make sure the name is wired and is turned on, toggle on. Section 2, you add your second question, restaurant name, toggle down Taco Bell, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Pizza Hut, Crystal. Copy all that and paste to save time. Toggle required on so that you kind of make sure they select some restaurant they are going to. And then optional more field, you're going to add the phone number and the name, and then click on the I to preview before you sharing. Use the second button, use the send button, choose link icon and shorten the URL, copy and share. When you copy that, it will use that URL to create the QR code. To create QR code is very simple. Log into ChatGPT, prompt, create QR code. You drop the copy URL Google form. You download it, you save it. That's all we're gonna do right now. And we are now heading to the first one. First one is go to Google Form. Just copy the word googleform.com, google.form. Alright, yes, now we are on Google Form. But if you don't know the exact URL, just type docs.google.com/forms. If you do it that way, it will ask you to sign in if you have not already signed in. Here's a picture of my Google Form. Click on the blank form, boom. Once you click on the blank form, it will ask you for the form title. To save your time, you can just copy and paste. Make it easy. Alright, the copy and paste says customer form, restaurant name. Just copy that. Check your keystroke. Tab. Alright, double click this. Alright, the next thing is description. Remember, if you like to put a description in there, please fill in. Copy that and paste, save your time. Open the tab, go to the form, where is the description? And then your email address, leave that there. Go to the next one, question number 1. The option I open up for question number 1. Question number 1, short answer. Click over here, pick short answer. Question name is your name. Your first and last name. Alright, I'm making that a short answer. and make sure it requires already the default. Okay, now see the plus sign here, hit the plus sign to add more questions based on a requirement. The second question is the name of the restaurant. Add your first question. We got the name and the toggle is on. The next question is restaurant name. Just kind of copy that to save your time. Copy that and put it here. Restaurant name. We want to select multiple choice or drop down. Drop down option 1. Option 1 was Taco Bell. Copy that. Under option 1, drop it down. Paste it. Option 2, McDonald's. Copy that and paste. Option 4, Chick-fil-A. Option 4, Chick-fil-A. Copy Chick-fil-A and paste. Option 5 was Pizza Hut. Copy that and paste. Question 6 was Cristobal Restaurant. Copy that and paste. Alright, we're done with the drop down list. Go to the next, hit the plus sign again. Next question was the phone number. Your phone number. Your phone number. This one is a short answer, it's a default. Your phone number. Alright, they is all required. Another one, after the phone number is your email. Again, the short answer is already there. So basically, we are done. Alright, let's do a quick preview. There is an eye, you can look at eye right there to preview how it looks. Customer restaurant preference survey. Please fill out your details to get your free meal. You want to add that word to get your free meal. Customer restaurant preference to get your free breakfast. We're doing a free breakfast. Make sure they know what this is for. So customer restaurant preference to get your free breakfast. That's what we advertise for. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Another one was a check mark. You can add one more thing. Make it a checkbox. Checkbox is right there. Question number 1. Okay, you guarantee that the above answers are correct to the base of your knowledge. Okay. Alright, let them pick one that this is correct. Let's check it out again. Hit the eyeball. Customer restaurant preference to your free breakfast. The email is required. Fill out a form. We're gonna move this to the bottom so that way it'll be okay. Go back. Guarantee one goes down. This one we want at the bottom. Okay, there you go. We want that at the end. You can see. So check it again. Make sure you the eyeball again. The email first, Your first and last name is required. The red meat is required. Restaurant, you choose one. They will choose what they like. I gotta check this out. There's no option 2, so you gotta check that out. All right, and then your phone number required, email required, and he says you guarantee that the above answers are correct to the best of your knowledge. They click option 1, and then they submit the form. Let's go check the last one there, the McDonald names. Okay, option 2 need to come out. Hit the X, and that goes. Hit the backspace, and that goes. All right, what is the form on title? You need to give a name of the form, so you can copy this. Restaurant, customer restaurant preference is the name of the form. Copy that and put right there. All right, we're about to publish. So hit publish. And the next question is anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can respond to this form. Okay, hit publish. But you can also change that. If you don't want anyone with the link, you could say restricted. That's anybody that have your email address. So for now, we want to keep anyone with the link right here. Anyone with the link is selected. All right, now we say publish. All right, after that is published, copy the link right there. You make it short link. All right, so we copy the link, and now we are going to create. We are done with the form. We are going to create a QR code. So we will log into ChatGPT. The prompt will say create QR code. We already copied the QR code. We're going to paste to the form and to download. All right, so we go to the next one. Hit a plus sign and go to your, and then we say go to your ChatGPT, Control V. You say create QR code. Create QR code for send. It's creating QR code. Pay attention, you will see one. All right, QR code is done. All right, the QR code is done. So your next is to download the QR code. See where it says download? Click QR code. You see it here. You can say, you can copy this, or this is the whole thing. You can save this file, save as JPEG, and you want to put that under your worksheet. Fast food QR code. You want to say fast food QR code. All right, so we have done all that, and that's the end for this week 2 classes. I want you to recap what we just did so far. If you have any questions, you can always call me. What we did here is create a Google form, and the form is done. These are the steps we went through to create the form, and we continue with adding the second questions. We hit a drop down for McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Pizza Hut, and we add a second question, Google form, restaurant name, drop down list was Taco Bell, McDonald's, and then toggle required on, phone number and email was there. We click the eye icon to preview it. We preview a couple of times. All right, the last thing we did was to copy the QR code, copy the form URL, log into ChatGPT, and ask it to create QR code, and then we download the QR code and we saved it. Thank you so much. We'll see you in week 3.